So how you can earn from Fiverr? People buy gigs for $5 and as a seller, you will get $4 for each order you complete. The $1 will go to Fiverr. So it seems you need to get lots of orders to earn a decent amount in Fiverr, right? But it adds up pretty quickly. Once you start getting more gigs, this is where the money comes in. I am going to reveal to you how to get $10 to $100 for each single order. And how long will it take for you to get paid? Alright, once you have set up your PayPal account in Fiverr, it takes about 2 weeks for the fund to be cleared. Then you can process your payment directly to your PayPal account or with a prepaid credit card. So what does it take to earn more than $5,000 a month in Fiverr? If you target $1,000 to $5,000 a month in Fiverr, it is important that your gig shows up in search results and your gig needs to be in demand. So here are the top 10 Fiverr gigs that you may want to consider. And in the next chapters, I will walk you through how to rank your gig at the top even with competitive niches.